BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 127 of season 3. Today's word is conventional. Would you like to know what it means? It means based on accepted traditions, according to an agreement, or ordinary or simplified. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word conventional. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Conventional is spelled as C-O-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N-A-L. The word conventional means based on accepted traditions, according to an agreement, ordinary or simplified. For example, Rani was getting married in America, but she requested her parents to arrange the wedding in an Indian conventional style. The managing director asked his team to design the product brochure in a conventional pattern. Listen carefully how we can use the word conventional in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Delia was using a conventional oven. Her daughter gifted her a microwave on the eve of Christmas. Delia was extremely elated and she baked a cake for the entire family. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The home finance companies conventionally offered only 80% of house price as loan. But IDCI Bank was the first to offer up to 90% of total price as a loan. This allowed many more borrowers to buy their own house. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. Dr. Hegde set up a hospital in a tier 2 city. Initially, conventional methods like X-ray were used for the diagnosis, but soon the number of patients increased and this necessitated the installation of latest MRI scan machine. Isn't this a relevant example? Example number 4 of 8. The Advent Tour Company is extremely popular with youngsters. This is because they select some very unique locations for their tours instead of the conventional ones. Such locations are less crowded and they offer great enjoyment. What is common between Economic Times, DNA newspaper and Zee Marathi? All these top media houses have covered success stories of BM English speaking professionals who have learned to speak English fluently and confidently. Do check our testimonial section on our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The annual general meeting of the company was conducted in a conventional manner. Since there was no special topic for discussion on agenda, the meeting was concluded much before scheduled time. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The conventional techniques of production were producing sluggish results. Hence, the management prepared a blueprint for modernization of the plant. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Isaac Newton challenged the conventional wisdom. He demanded scientific proof for people's beliefs. This inspired him to explore many inventions. Example number 8 of 8. In rural areas, people requiring medical attention would be treated by conventional methods and precious time was lost in this. The modern infrastructure has helped in providing new and effective methods of diagnosis to improve the health conditions of rural population. Today we learnt the word conventional, which means based on accepted traditions, according to an agreement, ordinary or simplified. Can you frame 3 sentences with conventional and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 127 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.